9 ball moving, nasipa.
1 ball.
3 for 4 on the break.
75% early on for Drasier Mauricio.
And again, a promising layout para dito kay Mauricio.
Stop ball lang dito. Konting at parang hindi mag...
Break Tristan Jocaresa for the season. Or check that, John Drasier Mauricio for the season, 25.6%.
Yeah.
And itong layout na ito, sa init na tinitira nitong si Tisoy. Yan, Tisoy has played practically mistake-free so far.
Yes.
Tingnan mo naman yung confidence ng kanyang mga tira, Doc. Look at the speed on that cue ball. Oo.
Nitinin yung pagkakamali nun. Sa kanya pa rin napunta yung rack.
9 into the side for a 5-0 lead. Book it.